Director of Enterprise Marketing at Platform Computing. Let's learn about platform computing and what do they provide in big data space. Welcome Rohit to our show, Big Talk.
Thank you, Gita.
Tell us a little bit about platform computing and what's its offerings in big data space.
So platform computing has been delivering solutions in the enterprise and in the R&D space for almost 20 years. Platforms technologies have been powering some of the world's largest grids and clusters and have been used to scale out and optimize applications, whether they are for research and development or in financial services doing various kinds of calculations, simulations, and all kinds of other cutting-edge technological innovations are also being delivered through platform computing software.
Tell us in terms of platform computing, your products, what are the industries you're currently covering or what other industries could be covered?
So platform computing's solutions are being used in a number of different industries. So one of the key industries is financial services, which, as I mentioned, is using our technologies to do all kinds of risk calculations, whether it be like also being using it for different kinds of investments that they are optimizing. They're doing Monte Carlo simulations using our software as well. In other industries like electronic design automation, there's a lot of chip verification tests that are run on our software, which allows these applications to be distributed and use commodity hardware to get the most out of the investments. Other industries include oil and gas, life sciences, as well as media and entertainment.
Sure. So in terms of big data, what's your primary focus?
So in terms of big data, platforms leverage a lot of the technology investments as well as R&D that it's done in the last almost 20 years. It's been able to really provide solutions that the enterprises have needed to put some of the technologies for big data into production. So when you kind of look at that, there is a almost industry standardization around Hadoop as a key technology for managing and processing and running analytic applications on Hadoop. What platform computing has done is essentially provided an enterprise version of the Hadoop stack by providing a replacement for the existing MapReduce engine in Hadoop. So what platform provides is a replacement MapReduce engine, which is Hadoop compatible. So Hadoop applications can execute on this, and it provides high availability and management to all of these applications. In addition, it has a next generation architecture for this, which allows for a separation of the logic between the application management and the resource management. And what this does is essentially that as different application management processes can be assigned to different business units, for instance, you can set up different priority queues for them. But the total infrastructure can be shared amongst these different business units, so thereby removing some of the silos that are getting created as the clusters are kind of separated out today because everybody wants to have their own. By using our technology, you have more of a shared grid service.
Rohit, please tell us about your shared grid services.
Yeah, so a lot of times we find that customers have had to set up a Hadoop cluster, and then they also have other clusters which are running other types of applications like C applications, C++ applications. And the Hadoop stack today, the scheduler in it, is fairly rudimentary. It is focused on managing the job application, the pig and hive jobs, etc. But with the platform solution, you can actually have a single grid service in which you can run both the Hadoop applications and schedule them as jobs, along with other C, C++, even R language jobs can be mixed in the same environment. And this cuts down the silos that exist in an organization and increases the utilization of the infrastructure.
So this really can reduce the infrastructure setup cost for big data for any company.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, essentially, when you look at it, every cluster then needs to be separately managed,
Yeah.
monitored, and by kind of bringing it all together, you're able to bring in all the efficiency that comes from managing a single environment.
So Rohit, thank you so much. So platform computing is basically providing enterprise scale solution for big data and management of the infrastructure. This is great. Thank you so much coming here, Rohit, and all the very best to platform computing from Big Data Cloud.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.